Ladies and gentlemen, you gotta go crazy.
I like Anthony Davis better. And you know what I like way better than the coin?
Oh, it came back. Thank you so much, Mr. Crazy Time.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Well, it depends. Okay, that would be a great one-to-one matchup, the one-on-one. But hey, this is great too. It's another coin flip, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. It's another coin flip. Like Rescue Flip came in clutch last time around. Let's see if we can run it back. Probably bigger multis. All right, 2x on red and 7x on blue. All right, both single digits, but blue side a tad bit more enticing. And we're having that blue, a lucky bounce right here, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be a 7x on that blue. Go see. I know, not like the highest multi, but higher of the two, which is what matters. 7,458 winners, low P, Mimi, and Bingo Plus. Top 3 winners. Betting time is open, and auto plan bet on all if you need them. Always there for you guys. And Bingo Plus and James, welcome to Crazy Time, guys. Hope you're having a wonderful Saturday. Let's go. El Mas, I don't know what that means. Davis or Giannis. Man, I like Anthony Davis more than I like Giannis, but Giannis is a better all-around player. 2x on coin flip. Now, I like Anthony Davis better. And you know what I like way better than the coin flip? Crazy Time, everybody. So pack your bags. Next up, Crazy Time. All aboard. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We are here. We are live. Second time around. Let's run it back. Now, get those multis on the wheel, please. Hey, there they are. Let's go. Now, your decision time is here. Green, blue, or yellow. We all know the green stands for Thanasis Antetokounmpo. Speedy recovery for him, but blue and yellow, your own personal preference, ladies and gentlemen. Now, biggest multi on the wheel that we have is 100X. Boom. Good luck, everybody. And you know what, guys? It's going to be 15 for blue, 20 for yellow, and green one. Getting that double treatment once again. All right, let's double it up and take another spin. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. We have 200X now. Good luck. Hey! 200. Let's go. $1,977 players taking home that 200X on that green. 8,708 winners in total. Congratulations, everybody, and let's go. That was pretty nice. Hey.
You and Filipino, I missed you too. Good morning from Canada. Like nearly 3 a.m. Good luck. Is it already morning? I guess it might be. Some people wake up at 3 a.m. I don't think I could ever. People that work at bakeries and stuff, they have to wake up super early to bake bread. Pachinko! Woo! Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. First pachinko of my session. Let's see what goodies we could win out here on the pink board. They could range from 2 up to 200X, potentially some doubles as well. We got to find out. Starting off with the 2X, their players moving on to 3, 5, 7, 10, 20, 40, 200 twice. Yo, we have 2 opportunities to win a 200X. There's no doubles, so we have to make it. Ladies and gentlemen, Sana all. Hope I'll get the 200X. Let's drop it. Whew, I'm nervous. Oh, 200X! Woo! That was perfect. Let's go, players. Good job. 4,505 winners, 200X Pachinko. You did deserve that. Exactly. Lopi, 80,000 euro top win special compliments. Lopi and betting time. Woo! That was worth the wait, wasn't it? No more bits, thank you. Oh, Burr, you also got it. Good luck, good job. Welcome, newcomers. Welcome back. We had to turn to crazy time. 3x on 1 top slot. I'm your host, Alice. Good morning. 9:50 a.m. here in Latvia.
Actually, 27. I just turned 27 recently. And number 2 is the result. Ba-da-ba-bum-bum. Loving it. 8,194 winners in total. Congratulations. And betting time. You're more than welcome to place your bets. Same as me. Yes, 1997. I'm old. Do you have a boyfriend? I have a husband, 2 dogs, 3 kids, 1 cat, hamster, bunny, and a raccoon as well. Oh, forgot to mention kangaroo. Cash and get 5 times multiplier from the top. What about you? Are you single? Married? Oh, wait a second. Look what we got here. This was cash and bonus round with a nothing but amazing 5 times multiplier top slot. Let's go. Okay, and there are a lot of hundreds all around the board, but here is a cherry on top of the cake, which is 5x, so 500, 500, 500. Boom! I wish you best of luck. Yet again, a lot of chances to catch 3 digits, and not just 100, but 500x. So good luck. Once the board stops, you're more than welcome to choose one of the symbols. Remind you, symbols and multipliers are not connected one with each other. And also, just in case if you don't want to make a decision yourself, you can just simply leave it for auto-pick option. And this option is going to choose something randomly instead of you. Or you can just simply close your eyes and click on something, you know. Good luck. And it's time to reveal the wall. There they are. 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500. Okay, I'm tired. But yeah, there are 1,100 of you who succeed with a 500x. A lot of you got 100 times multiplier, and instead of 1,200 successful results over there. Congratulations. This is indeed a wonderful round, right? 5x top slot. Yeah, that's right, John Wick. We got 5x from the top. Oh, bingo, plus you get 500? Sweetie, you're on fire. Do you need 5 fighters? Pachinko 15x. Oh, can we get back to back? Oh, it goes a little too fast to catch Pachinko. Okay, we've got number 2 as the result this time. Thank you very much for participating, and boom. Thank you, Alice. You're welcome. It's just like...
Sorry, man. All right, let's go. With extra cheese, no more. With extra cheese, bro. All right, guys, let's go. Mercy, Queen. Welcome, guys. Crazy Tom and Queen. Beautiful band, man. What's your favorite song from Queen repertoire? All right, guys, we have number 2. Winning number 2 right here. My compliments of 4,021 lucky winners. Sai Torden, winner always. Nice nickname, by the way. Great manifestation. Betting time is open. Now time to place your bets, guys, and let's proceed. Under pressure. Hey, what about Don't Stop Me Now? I'm a rocket ship on my way to Mars. Yeah, man, like, hey, Queen, the movie, Bohemian Rhapsody, man, Rami Malek played that role perfectly. Perfectly. 2x on Pachinko. EZW, welcome to Crazy Time. Hey, I know the meaning behind that nickname. It's Easy Dubs. Hey, you know what else is Easy Dubs? Easy Money Sniper. Pachinko with a 2x on the top slot, guys. Hey, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. We have a top slot 2x with us, Pachinko. That's awesome. Let's see what it is, guys. Previously on Pachinko, we got pretty lucky with 100x. Let's see what are we working with here now. All right, 3x the lowest. It's going to be 6. Boom, boom, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 40, hundreds, doubles. We have 2 of those doubles on 2 200s, ladies and gentlemen. Even with a 2x can make a difference right here. We have 2 of those 200s, 2 doubles. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see how the cookie crumbles, and eeny, meeny, miny, mo. This is exactly where we're going to go. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. And like I said, folks, we have 200x on 2 of those landing spots. We have those doubles there as well. If you're there, go for the 200. Oi, my man. That's what I'm talking about. Lucky bounce, pop, pop. 200x on the board, everybody. 6,900.
Good luck. 7X crazy time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go crazy and we're gonna go wild. This is gonna be good. Crazy time with a 7X. Come on. We did it. Oh, wow, wow, wow. This is gonna be fantastic. So dear players, before we start, before you pick your color, we will apply that 7X multiplier. So good, so good. And now, of course, decision time is available for all of you. Take your time and pick your color, green, blue, or yellow. Which one? All right, people, everybody's ready. So the highest one, 700, unless we get a double. Let's see. Woohoo! We got it! 105 green, 175 blue, and 700 for the yellow.
And let's keep on spinning. Okay, there seem to throw. Whoa. Or start hacking. I would love to try out Cheats and Val like on a throwaway account. Just to see how they work. I wouldn't cheat on my main, but I would love to try out, you know, having an advantage like dunking on people and Val. Just get out all my rage. Crazy time 2x top slot. Oh, it came back. Thank you so much, Mr. Crazy Time. You're back with food. Hopefully you placed a bet on this round, man. Isaac, man. Ladies and gentlemen, come in. Hey, my ladies, my gentlemen, welcome to the world of great time, where we have a big wheel. We have a big, tasty, juicy little wheel. And remember, this great time is sponsored by the Top Slot. The Top Slot gave us a 2x increase on our multipliers. We'll take it, baby. Hey, any increase is an increase, baby. You know what it is. You know what we do here. 200x maximum multiplier. Choose your flapper, ladies and gentlemen. Green, blue, or yellow. Choose the flapper of your dreams. Which one are you going for, ladies and gentlemen? Is it going to be green? Is it going to be blue? Is it going to be yellow? 400x actually is the maximum multiplier. I lied. Let's go for it, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck, have fun, and stay safe. Hopefully we hit some doubles. Come on, baby. Ooh, what a tasty one. 40x on blue, 100 on yellow, and a 200 on green. Woo-wee. Mama, 1,504 winners. Congratulations to each and every one of you, ladies and gentlemen. It has been I, your host, Jimothy Chalamet, man. Jimothy Chalamet, man. Come on, bro. Come on. That's what we needed. That's the juicer we needed, bro. Let's go. Hey, green for evil Jonkler, guys. Green for evil Jonkler. I'm telling you. No shot, Isaac. Did you hit it? One gets a 5x from the top slot. Book. That's a 1.
Round winners get is keeping tight at the #1 spot, rounds after rounds. I love it. Congratulations. And hello to the newcomers. Welcome. This is our beautiful Crazy Time game. Oh, 20x on the cash out. Slow down. Well, now we're talking. Is that the highest multiplier on the way? So, let's see the multis. 100, the highest one. Now let's put 20x on top of it. Look at that. Look at that. 2000 is the highest one. Well, now I'm pulling my lever with a big pleasure. You guys, every single multiplier is shining bright like a diamond on the boards, and I love it. Woo! Well, now a party going on. Well, that's a party going on. You guys, now it's your time to take whatever you want. Whatever you want, okay? Whatever you will take, it will be good anyways. No more 5x this round. No more 5x. Let's see those. Oh, it looks so good. I don't even know where 2000 is. It's somewhere there. Congratulations to all the rounds winners. 2,864 of you. Wow. It's getting hot in here. Tell me now, what did you guys get? What is your most? 500. Good. That's a good one. What else? 500, Chan Chan. Perfect.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.